fun to do a desserty vegan shake together. I've posted this recipe on Instagram before and a lot of you were making it and had some questions about it too, so I thought we could just go through it and make it together. So the only two things that you have to prep before making the smoothie, that maybe the night before, is your bananas and your nut milk cubes. If you don't know, the best way to freeze your bananas is to use ripe bananas, and that means that there's going to be spots on the peel. And this is good for proper digestion and for the best texture of your smoothies. If you don't use ripe bananas, your smoothies are going to turn out chalky. This is almond milk, and we're just filling up our ice cube trays. We have these specifically for the nut milks that we use for our smoothies, and I just make it in bulk. And we also do coconut milk, nut milk, sometimes, no, I guess we don't really use soy, just mostly coconut milk and nut milk. So yeah, we're gonna make a chocolate peanut butter mood smoothie. This is the coconut one. See how creamy they are? They're gonna create really good texture, but personally I think that overpowers the flavor of a lot of smoothies, so we're gonna even it out by using half of these and then half of the almond ones, which are these ones. You can tell they're not as creamy as the other ones. And then this is coconut sugar, which is really good because it doesn't spike your index level, and it's got minerals in it, so it's a better sugar choice. And these are our frozen bananas that we prepped the night before. And if I had cocoa samoa, I'd use that, but we're just gonna use some vegan chocolate chips. And so yeah, we're just gonna pop it all in. And the way to get a really thick smoothie or an ice cream is to use little to no liquid at all. If you have a good powered blender, that really helps, or a good food processor. Vitamix is one that I've used for many years. I've had a couple different models, and even the cheapest one is going to give you that texture that you want. And you can buy one refurbished as well. And so it's definitely a great investment, I would say. And so yeah, we're gonna put everything in, some vanilla for some extra flavor. The coconut sugar gives a bit of a toffee caramel taste. The peanut butter gives it that creamy peanut butter taste, obviously. And this is gonna be amazing. This is the middle stage. You just wanna blend and mash until it starts getting smooth and creamy and that ice cream texture like you like. This is a little thinner than usual because we're doing a smoothie. This is just a mixture, just a fun topping or bottoming, and it's just crushed macadamias with some vegan chocolate and some coconut. And so yeah, that's it. You just put it in a jar and it's just a great dessert. It's healthy and it's fun and everyone in the family loves it. So yeah, let me know if you try it and hope you like it. All right, bye.
So let's just recap what you get. You're gonna get the entire 3-week program, including over 36 great tasting, scientifically backed, real world proven meal replacement smoothie recipes, weekly grocery lists to make shopping simple, quick, and convenient, a very easy to follow schedule that takes all the guesswork out of the program, my unconditional 60-day warranty that guarantees your complete satisfaction, not to mention the bonus content. The 3-day detox, which will get you ready for the program and give you a quick weight loss win right from the get-go. This alone is a huge benefit, because remember, if you're ever looking to lose an extra few pounds quickly or you fall off the wagon, you want to catch back up, this will help you get right back to where you want to be. And you get my quick start guide, which will give you everything you need in one convenient place if you're excited to get started right away and get the fastest results possible.